Hello, y'all. In my previous episode, I unboxed and tested this Kidde 1285K, and in this package is basically the second iteration of this. So I'm going to unpack it real quick. Because it is a first generation Kidde i12080, not an i12080A. Even though it has the same part number, this is a different unit entirely. And you're about to see why. So I'm going to unbox it now. So, we got the mounting plate, the wiring harness, the tamper resist pin, the manuals. Please see manual, which is for in both English and Spanish, and the alarm itself. So, let me open the battery door. Well, it looks like I gotta pull the tabs out. Okay. There we go. So, I don't know the condition of these batteries, so I'm gonna take them out. This Duracell is in much better condition than the last one. And it is dead. And I just touched my tongue to some battery corrosion. It's not good. How about this Eveready? This Eveready is also dead. So I gotta go get some fresh batteries, so I'll be right back. And by the way, unfortunately, it was made 2008, April 11th. To stick with the theme of today, I'm going to be using some Kidde Gold Peaks. Hold on. Alright, batteries are in. Now let's give it a test. And this is the reason why it's different. It has an incandescent light bulb, which is not seen on i12080As. Let's test it again. But the way it tests is different. Let me show you. Let me do a comparison. And this is how the i1285 tests. The light works. And this is how the 1285's light works. So, very interesting. And I'm going to fix this battery door. Hold on. If I even can, so I'll be right back. Unfortunately, it seems like my i12080 has a slight design flaw. Has a slight manufacturing error. The battery door will not stay latched. For whatever reason. Very strange. But now I'm going to connect this to another alarm, a CAN-COBIC, so I'll be right back. Alright, now I have it connected to a CAN-COBIC, so let's give it a test. Because I wonder how the escape light is going to function on this one. Strange. The escape light on this one does not seem to flash. Oh, I see the problem. Gotta fix this, Let me try that again. This time I've tightened the connection. Very strange. This thing does not have a flashing light for carbon monoxide. Hey, I'm going to try a different connector, so I'll be right back. Alright, I got a different harness connected. Let's see what this does. Yeah, very strange. The i12080s of this generation does not flash for carbon monoxide, unlike this 1285. Very strange. Alright, this video is getting very long, so hopefully y'all like this video. I will see y'all soon. See ya. Well, I'll see y'all for part 3 of this series. See ya.